Hi guys, and this is Ahmad. And this video we will get to know that how to use sparkline to show data trends. Now we will discuss about how to create the sparkline. It shows the bigger charts. Better we can show the simple way in the spark, like a sparkline means spark charts, like a sparkline charts. So come to the and insert tab. Just we need to, and you can see the here the spark lines one option is there. Just click on sparkline, and now it is asking the data range, so we need the data range to here to here. Just I'm clicking on OK. Now see the guys, the sparkline has been came. Just come little drag the remaining rows. See how the data is came. It is, we can go with the YTD. It's like a means YTD data, so year to date. So just I am formatting the same however we need it. So now the see the guys, if you want to change the sparkline like a different colors and everything, just click on that, and you can come on sparkline again here, and you can see the guys which color you want. You can make the color differently however you want, and here the different styles also is there. If you have a style you want to make it the changes. This is the sparkline creation. Thank you.